Hello everyone, my name is Linh Hoan. This is my assignment 2 for cos 3017. Currently studying in Swinburne Uni. Today we'll be demonstrating my car rental app that built for Android using Android Studio and code in Kotlin. Goal of the project is to create a user-friendly experience allowing users to rent a car from multiple locations and from multiple branches. Each user will have a maximum of 500 credit, but we're not allowed to spend more than 400 per car. I will show you about that later. So first off, I will show you my wireframe in concept art for this. I use this to map out how I want everything to flow and how I visualize the final project will look like. This app will have three main pages: home, search, and detail. It only have three while showing four because the rental and the cancel are in the detail page. I will show you that later, but for now, let's get on with the app. This is the home screen. As you can see, we have balance, search bar, and a change mode on the top right. Below that we have two tabs, available and my rental. My rental currently don't have anything because we haven't rented any cars. Below that is the car cards that we can see here. We can either swipe right or use the next button to go to the next car card, or use the back button or swipe back to go back to the last car card. Below it we can see the name, the year it was made, and the cost per day. And on the bottom right of the card we can see the ratings. Below that we can see the rent vehicle button and a star representing favorite button, which if you press it, it will appear in the search, which we will go there now. In the search, the balance or replaced by the back button. You can click it to go back to home. In the middle we still have the search, and on the top right now is the menu change from the mode change button. To handle large database or datasets, I have implemented this custom search bar. As I type the list, it will filter out in real time for more convenient. It will be more specific, and for more specific needs, the search menu allows user to reorder it in rating, years, or cost. This operation happens in memory, ensuring the app stays fast and responsive. Moving to the detail tabs, you can get here either with either clicking a card in the search page or going back to home and clicking the rent vehicle. So this is the detail page. As you can see, the back button is still on the top left. In the middle now, the search is replaced by the credit that you have. The top right now have the favorite and the change mode button. Below that we can see the car, the two left and right swipe arrows, and in the middle below the car image, we can see three dots representing the frame image. We can swipe or click the arrows. Below that we can see the car names, the total, which is calculating real time, and default will be 1 day. Below that is the rating, the years, the kilometers, and the rental per day. Now let's say we set it to 4 days. It will be around 80 credits. You click the rent button, it will ask for confirmation. This is a precautionary to help the user avoid fat fingers and avoid misclicking. This is a big decision, so the user should have to verify 2 times for it to confirm. So you press rent, and now you go back to the home screen. You can see now in the rent tab that the car is rented. Click on it, you can see that it is rented and you cannot rent it again. Instead, you can cancel the car. But first, let me show you. In the availability, you don't see it anymore, and in the search it is disappear. Unless you favorite it, you can see it in the favorite tab. If not, you cannot see it. And now we will cancel the car. As you can see, it asks us to leave a rating and confirmation, and as you can see, the rating dropped. It was at 4, now at 3.8. We basically combining it and divide it into the current rating, as you can see here. One more thing before we go on to the back end. I said I will show you what will happen if the course exceeds 400 credits. In this example, it passed 400 credits, so it locked the rent vehicle button, so you cannot rent it anymore, and that is a part of the assignment. Moving on to the code. Looking at the code, the part that took the most effort out of me and the most time is the state synchronization between active passing the car object as a pass label was crucial for performance, but debugging and logic making took a lot of time to make it all work. A lot of debugging involve cause wiping when it is not swiped, and the search doesn't do what I wanted to. The most challenging that I face is utilizing the Singleton data manager and making it act as a single source of truth in the memory data. Now I will reflect on the project while you see the all tab change to black and me highlighting the most important part of each file. Reflecting on this project, moving from a simple app from Assignment1, this is more challenging and a larger learning curve. The biggest takeaway from this is the UI designing layout, slider and tablet layout to make it a complex credit system and to make it feel real and intuitive. If I have to expand it and if I have more time, next up I will provide a language button to allow the user to change to a more language, a user review section in the detail tab, and a search and filter option for further advanced search. More so, I think to scale up this project, I just needed more cores in this. Currently, project have 7. The final thoughts of this video, you can see that the 2 tests have been passed, and there is no error in this project at all. Thank you for listening to me presenting this project. See you again. Bye.